In this video, Bitcoin is right now playing this bearish movement which we mentioned in the previous video. Exactly. And right now, siguro gusto ko lang kayo bigyan ng quick trade or quick update kasi actually guys, nasa recording kami and ayun sila dyan. What's up? Pero ayun, sila Gio, lahat-lahat. So medyo kakaiba lang yung setup lang natin ngayon, but ayun, gusto ko lang kayo mabigyan din ng quick update regarding the Bitcoin price action. So, 'di ba, with our latest analysis sa previous video, what we have been monitoring, 'di ba? After this bullish breakout nitong falling channel, as you can see, nag-start nga siya ng rising wedge. And 'di ba, sabi ko nga sa previous video, yung huling trade ko, na-hit yung stop loss dito upon trading this falling channel, but as you can see dito nga sa next move, ang 'di ba sabi ko sa inyo, if magkaroon dito ng candle close below the support area dyan, as what I told you guys, I will be opening a short position dito kay Bitcoin. And siguro lagi ko lang na mabilis ang quick edit yung profits ko doon. But ayun, I took that trade after playing out this bearish scenario, 'di ba? Sabi ko nga sa inyo, you have to wait out for a candle close either below the support area or above the resistance kung saan siya magkakaroon ng breakout. And as you can see guys, if you're going to look at the chart, nagkaroon tayo ng candle close dyan below. So that's why nag-open ako ng short position up until the $65,800 US. And thankfully that has been a successful trade. But ayun guys, the question now is what is next for the Bitcoin price action. So if you're going to look at the hourly time frame, especially here, you will find now we actually played a falling price action while the RSI was increasing. Ayan o, dito, lagyan natin siya. So, nagkaroon ng bullish divergence for the very short term. So, that's why we have seen a quick move dito kay Bitcoin pabalik to the 65K after seeing that falling movement. So, ayun, kaya nyo lang guys, medyo maingay sila. But, ayun, dito, balik tayo dito sa video. But yeah, that is now the current move. So, right now, if you are still eyeing for a long position ngayon, I don't think na maganda mag-open ng long position ngayon. As you can see, medyo nag-play out na yung bullish divergence eh. So, medyo late na yan eh. So, ako usually, if nag-play out na yung move, hindi ko na siya ita-trade. Like, tapos na eh. Nangyayari na yung movement eh. So, bakit ko pa ihabol, diba? So, sa akin, labas na ako dyan sa trade na yan. And ngayon, the best thing to do right now is to wait for the next indicators to form and make sure na join kayo dun sa IG channel, sa Instagram channel, and sa Messenger group chat. Doon ko naman sinasabi lahat. If may ever na may updated trades ako. Itong latest trade, di ko na nasabi kasi I was busy nga. But, ayun nga. If ever na mag-form yung bagong indicators dito, then I will be mentioning that in my IG channel and Messenger. So, make sure to join the channel. But anyway, ayun lang muna. Quick update for now. And if you find this video useful and informative, please give this video a like. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye for now.